While everybody centers around Bitcoin and Ethereum, different open doors probably won't be on many individuals' radar. The OMG tokens are in the information at their vertical cost forecasts, and getting more financial backer consideration in light of how they perform contrasted with the opposition. OMG organization is gradually taking off, acquiring market inclusion. The most recent news inclusion of this underestimated coin is getting additional consideration from the market-changing exchanging choices. We should figure out more about the OMG organization project and the story behind it. The outline of OMG organization. OMG organization is a layer 2 scaling arrangement that has worked for the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to move ETH and ERC20 tokens less expensive and quicker than making those exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. The OMG organization was established by Chadikavanji, a Thai resident working as an auxiliary of SYNQA, which is a Thailand-based fintech organization. It is a decentralized, public organization that permits high throughput, minimal expense, distributed exchanges. With it, anybody can execute a scheme across geologies, resource classes, and applications. The OMG network permits one to get to, make do, and execute utilizing advanced resources that are put away safely on the blockchain. The organization depends on a scaling arrangement known as more viable plasma. It utilizes a sidechain engineering to make a bunch of a few exchanges, which can then be checked utilizing a solitary exchange on the Ethereum root chain, as indicated by OMG organization. This innovation can possibly scale Ethereum to great many exchanges each second. This is way higher than whatever Ethereum 1.0 can deal with, which is 10 to 14,000 exchanges each second. The plasma-based sidechain engineering likewise permits it to increment productivity while lessening carbon impression by diminishing the power use up to 99% contrasted with Ethereum. This is cosmically high while likewise diminishing expenses up to 66% of the ordinary charge. This is finished while ensuring that the resources remain got by the Ethereum blockchain network, as indicated by the site. OMG organization is likewise getting a rebrand as OMG establishment, with millions brought up in the last round of financing around $80 million in Series C subsidizing. OMG at long last sees a few achievement and genuinely necessary acknowledgement from the crypto market, in the same way as other digital currencies. The administration holds some stock of the all-out portion of coins, as the greatest stock is fixed. There is supposed to be a most extreme cap of precisely 140,245,398 OMG at the present time. Dissimilar to numerous other digital forms of money, the all-out supply has proactively been completely stamped, with around 65% circling through dynamic financial backers. OMG Organization Group is carrying out a few new turns of events, which should be visible on their venture site. OMG token holders are qualified for BOBA administration token, which has been in the news as of late. The point is to lessen gas expenses, further develop the exchange throughput and expand the capacities of savvy contracts. The OMG organization cost estimate for 2026 is $19.23. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 283.72%, as indicated by their OMG cost figure. The coin could cross $7.30 before the current year's over and $9.67 by 2026. Taking into account OMG has acquired than 200% in 2021 yet is as yet 70% beneath its pinnacle, it has grabbed financial backers' eye. In the event that the DeFi and NFT space keeps on warming up and the BOBA network turns into a hit with engineers, OMG organization costs could detonate, and its worth could become 10 times by 2025. OMG organization forecasts. Toward the beginning of December 2022, the cost will be around $4.72. The typical OMG organization cost for December 2022 is $4.58. OMG organization cost gauge toward the finish of December 2022 is $4.72. On the off chance that we see how well it is doing, the OMG organization cost is at 3 years high, with the ongoing cost exchanging at $5. This high, whenever preceded, can overwhelm 4 years high in the span of a year. It keeps a decent up-moving business sector. The value history of OMG organization isn't that great in the past 2 years. The cost changes have not been fascinating for crypto exchanging this time span. The drop in cost in 2018 was chiefly because of the forbidding of OMG cryptographic money in the trades, bringing about high unpredictability at those key levels. With its new high of $5.01 since its underlying stages, OMG organization seems to be a decent chance for merchants. Is the OMG market currently far beyond the best section point? How about we find out with the specialized examination? The ongoing cost of OMG organization is $5.01, with the crypto positioning at number 101. The market capitalization of OMG organization is around $699,630,149.64 and a circling supply of around 140,245,398 OMG coins, which is the greatest coin limit. The most recent 24 hours ups and downs have been $5.10 and $4.80. Separately, the amassing has been consistently expanding over the course of the past year and is as yet reliable, with the OMG breaking out this moment, beating different gauges. OMG Organization Value Forecasts 2022 to 2026. As the reception rate for Ethereum Layer 2 arrangements keeps on rising, it will be great for OMG Organization 2. The OMG cost expectation for 2022 will undoubtedly be great as the value keeps on taking off new high with just about 300% return in the beyond couple of months. The OMG organization estimate is around $5.01 until further notice, as the unpredictability hasn't hit its most extreme cutoff. In view of the OMG cost expectations, it is a decent long-haul venture choice. Putting your cash in OMG organization is a decent choice for the future as it has kept an uplifting perspective. OMG Value Forecast 2022. With the OMG cost expectation for 2022 around $5.47, it will probably be the year when the fate of OMG organization will fundamentally ponder the cost graph it structures. The OMG value estimate of $6.53 is sensibly protected on the off chance that the reception rate proceed. The worth of OMG will increment over the long run as it collects the consideration of the crypto local area. OMG Organization Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, the OMG value pattern will keep on reflecting potential gain force according to our OMG organization figure. Consequently, the OMG cost is supposed to reach $6.58 this year. For long-haul OMG organization cost expectations, fundamental specialized examination is required. Regarding industry arrangements, the OMG token offers a couple. The OMG organization runs a bug abundance program, which rewards software engineers to track down blunders inside the organization and assists with fixing those issues. This motivator to find issues in the organization makes it very great, as any issues that will be found could be accounted for back to the improvement group, and the issues could be fixed. This will empower the OMG organization to remain protected from bugs over the long haul. OMG Value Expectation 2024. The OMG coin will stay in the vertical cost pattern in 2024. Notwithstanding, the OMG coin holds the possibility to be a productive speculation which will be reflected soon later on cost of OMG organization. Is OMG organization solid? Indeed, OMG organization is very dependable. With its innovation being utilized to diminish carbon impression, it is likewise a green choice than another digital money. Security and adaptability are incorporated into the plasma plan for dependability for any reason.